In this video, I am going to show you what everyone has been asking, and that is how to get on the For You page more consistently, tips and tricks for ending up on the For You page or the FYP of TikTok. Let's cue that intro and get this started. Hey guys, I'm Rachel Pedersen, TikTok expert and social media strategist. I'm super excited to share with you guys some of my favorite tips and tricks for getting on the For You page and, most importantly, staying on the For You page. As we dive on in, make sure that you comment your username below and subscribe to my channel because I release TikTok videos and social media strategies every single week, and I don't want you to miss any of those. So subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's dive on in. Now, one thing that most people don't realize about TikTok is that every single video is tested on the For You page. Most people think it's like this rare thing that doesn't happen. However, most videos are briefly put on the For You page and then taken off by TikTok when they don't successfully pass the point system. Now, the point system basically means that you earn points for different actions, such as a video completion, percentage of people who rewatch the video again. Likes, comments, and shares all get you points, and if you don't get any of those in the first couple moments of your video hitting the For You page, it's going to be taken down and not spend any more time on the For You page. So this is really important. In order for you to ultimately get more points, I want you to learn how to create an open loop. Now, an open loop is something like make sure you watch until the end. You'll never believe what happens next. And while those are a little clickbaity, they're clickbaity because they work. We all love to see what's going to happen at the end. Just don't let people down and break their trust by not having something cool at the end. Or you can ask a question in the beginning that you answer at the end. You can have a total plot twist. The goal is to create an open loop so that people stay, watch the video all the way to completion, sometimes even watch it again, especially with a great plot twist. The next big tip I have for you guys is to join or create an engagement pod with your friends so that way you guys can hype up the social proof on your videos, increasing your likes, your comments, and this is very important. Make sure you share the video with each other as well as watch each other's videos all the way to the end and even watching it multiple times. This is super important. Now, this is a super ninja intense trick for getting on the For You page more often and also staying on the For You page, but it's very intense, so it's not going to be right for everyone. By the way, if you're going to do this, comment below because you are an overachiever and I want to see you crush it. After you post every single one of your videos, go onto your own For You page and go and leave 100 comments total across 100 different videos. If you get spaced out or timed out by TikTok, feel free to take a break, but I want you to comment on 100 videos after you post a video because it's going to bring a whole bunch of new traffic to your profile and to your latest video. That's a very powerful way to grow. I also recommend that you respond to your early squad. These people are super valuable. They're creating social proof. Part of the thing that is so powerful about social proof is people are more likely to watch a video where there are likes and comments and engagement going on already on it. Whereas when I see a video on my For You page that has 0 likes, 0 comments, I'm likely to skip it because I assume that it wasn't that interesting. I like to watch videos that have some likes and comments, and that's actually human nature. It's one of the triggers we all have. We like to watch videos that other people have watched and enjoyed. So respond to your early squad, let that social proof rack up. And then I also put together for you guys an amazing and powerful resource in the bio beneath this video, including my interesting, really weird hashtag strategy that helped me to grow by 52,000 subscribers in a single month, as well as your first 1,000 TikTok followers and my A to Z content ideas that will support you guys as you get going. So I will catch you in the next video. Be sure to give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys later.